Travel isn't always pretty, it isn't always comfortable. Sometimes it hurts, it even breaks your heart. But that's okay. The journey is what changes you. The journey should change you. And the journey leaves marks on your memory, on your consciousness, on your heart, and on your body. You take something with you, hopefully, you leave something good behind. Come, let's witness this beautiful place called Mallandur and this sunset point and the temple. Good morning. It's beautiful morning out here. It's 7 a.m. at the moment and the view looks so amazing right now. I can't just describe in words, waking up early in the morning here, witnessing this beautiful weather and beautiful view out here. Just amazing. I'll throw up the drone shots around. Go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, so before we start the vlog, let's make a room tour. Yeah, let's go. Here I am right now with all positivity, with all the energy, and bringing up this sort of a vlog to you guys. It's just kind of a pleasure, you know. I I'm, I'm pretty sure you guys will like this particular vlog. It's kind of a different vlog which I'm shooting right now, and this is kind of a vlog which I wanted to do, which I'm inspired of, yeah, this is the scene right now. All right, so let's go for a walk inside this particular homestay and see how it is exactly. So we are just going to the shooting spot right now, and I have with me Chandru. So we are gonna head up to shooting spot and see how the scene looks like.
stopping us. We never knew the sky beyond the blue. We turned the page, our story became a world brand new. You and I, we have found what we've been missing. You and I, it feels like we're finally living. We are wide awake, it's all so clear. The dreams we held are standing here. You and I, we have found what we've been missing.
ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಡ ಓಕೆ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾಗಿ ವೆದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ you can just feel it. I'm going to throw up a drone right now and you are going to witness the beautiful scene from the aerial view. So but at the moment ಚಂದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಸ ಮೆಜೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೇರ್ they come and shoot a lot of Kannada movies which has been shot here, and it's just beautiful.
Standing in silence, the stars lean in my chest. I can feel this is where we begin. Take me back to the days when we were kids, reaching for something just beyond our fingertips. Fill my head with every line of poetry, the way you look at me when you look at me. You're bringing heaven down to earth, a symphony in every word, yeah. You're bringing heaven down to earth, bringing me everything, bringing me everything. Filling the pages, a story to tell. When I'm here with you, it seems to write itself. You fill my heart with every reason to believe, the way you look at me, yeah, when you look at me.
It's just amazing here right now, and kids are just enjoying, because I just came here just to shoot back, and there were a lot of kids and they wanted me to shoot them. They have been doing a lot of funny stuff and I've been shooting it. It's just fun. These are the things which gives so much of happiness. Sometimes all it takes is just one step further to make someone happy. I'm right now in Malandur, and this is one of the shooting spot, and I'm just very happy right now, and I wish I could bring my family and my friends here and make them happy too. These are the things which just gives you so much peace, happiness, and this is what you need in your life. I'm not being philosopher though, but yeah, when you see this sort of nature or environment once in a while, that's what your heart feels, and that's what I'm feeling right now. So right now 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬೆಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪೀಕ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ somewhere there we are going, and I'm not sure. We are going in a jeep, so that's one of the thing which we need to do today. and once we come back, maybe it's just chilling out. Yeah, I hope you guys are liking the vlog, and please do share it with your friends and family, because it takes so much effort, um, so much struggle to make all these videos. It's not that easy to make any sort of videos, because you got to go to this particular place. This is the second time I'm coming down to just witness this nature and also capture it, so that I can put it in front of you guys, and you guys can sit wherever you are, enjoy this beautiful, beautiful scenic view. Thank you very much, everybody, for subscribing, and whoever who has not subscribed, please go and subscribe, and tell your family and friends to go and check out my videos. Maybe sometimes they may not be interested in seeing the tutorials of mine, because it's only for the people who like to go through those tutorials, would like to see those tutorials. But yeah, vlogs are just for everyone. It's just a pure entertainment. So I even enjoy doing vlogs. So but sometimes we don't get so much of time wherein we can go out and shoot vlogs. But yeah, this is what the scene is right now, and I'm with my beautiful Royal Enfield.